If you're contouring a round face, then you want to slim it down like this, which means that you want to actually apply your contour along this side of the face. If you apply it here at the top or here at the bottom, what that's actually doing is kind of like shortening it a little bit more. So what we want to do is apply it around this area here, and you can do a little bit there just so that it's adding a little bit of a lift. You can apply it just along here. So go from the top of the ear and just go in, but not too far in. And then what you want to do is just go down the side, very close to the ear here, and then go underneath your jawline there. So to blend this, I'm going to just take this into the hairline here. We're going to go into the hairline. Everything goes into the hairline so that you don't get left with this really weird kind of gap. Everything needs to look like a shadow, so that's why it goes into the hairline. This here has given us that really nice cheekbone. You want to blend this into the neck so it looks like a shadow, and then it ends up actually making your jawline look way sharper.